This 2023 Heartland Cyclone 4014C is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 46 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Heartland Cyclone 4014C is 16,302 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.